So this Camaro got torn up on the right side. Supposedly this guy hit like hay or something like that. But anyways, it's a quick tutorial on how to remove a Camaro bumper off of this year model. I guess it goes from like '08 all the way up to like the recent ones. But this is the first thing I did. I got my Torx 15 and I removed the 3 bolts that it has on the fender liner to the bumper. And this is the last one right here. Then I went to the bottom and removed the 3 7mm bolts that you can see all along the edge to have access to the inside of the fender, to have access into the inner fender. There goes the second and the last one. But anyways, after I did this, I went ahead and I'm showing you guys where the 10mm that you're supposed to remove are. So not this front one, but the one behind it. Not that front one, that one. So that one there, and then you have 3 that run across the top from like the fender going to the bumper. So I removed each one of those individually, starting off by the top one. Over here I used I want to say about a 8-inch extension with a 10mm swivel socket head, and it gave me an easier access to remove those nuts off. And then I used my gear wrench, 10mm wrench, and I removed this 10mm here. But that's the hardest part, is getting the 3 bolts in the back that you saw there. Those usually kind of give you hell, but not really, you know. It's you just gotta be patient with it, and then it come out slowly. And then you have this one right here that I was taking off with my hand because my wrench wouldn't do any more turns. But I got that one off. Then I removed the 7mm bolt up here, and that freed that side. Then it has 2 10mm bolts on the bottom of the bumper that are connected to the subframe. You want to go ahead and remove those. And again, I'm using my swivel socket. You don't need this, you just need a 10mm socket, but this is what I have handy at the shop. And I got the other one. And that's it down there. Then I removed the 10mm on the corner, on the top of the radiator support, the upper tire bar. Then I went to the passenger side and did the same as well. Then I started removing all these clips on the top part individually. You know, this Camaro, I've noticed from ones that I've torn apart before, it doesn't have these kind of clips. It usually just has one that you can stick a screwdriver and pop it up. But this car has been worked on before, and I don't know who did it, but they put on these type of like screw-on clips. So I started taking these out. But usually it has like some push-in ones. And then the ones I don't want to turn, I just go ahead and stick my little flathead screwdriver in between it. And I'm basically just prying them apart. I do that to the other side. Once I kind of get them out, I just go ahead and use my panel clip remover tool and stick the little forks in between them, and they pop out way easier than this. Just boop, 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 boop. That's it. Just take them out with your hand. Like I said, the other ones should be easier. These are just not the ones that it has. Then whatever I did on the left side, I went ahead and did on the right side. The 3 7mm in the bottom. Then the Torx after this. Oh, with the 10mm. I recommend using a flashlight so you can see in between the inner air well. But I got the 10mm out, the 3 10mm ones. And then here I'm just pulling the bumper apart pull it out slowly because you still may have wires connected. So you just don't want to yank it out. This side, they just slide out. There's no need to like force anything, you just slide out. I did that side, just left it on the ground. Then I realized that my wire was still connected, my harness. So I disconnected that, and that's it. Did some repair on the fender, put a new bumper on, snapped everything back. That's it, y'all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys around for more videos.